Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect Discord with Patreon step by step in 2026. So if you want to give your supporters automatic roles or private access inside Discord, this is exactly what you need. First, log in to your Patreon account. Then go to your creator dashboard and open the settings menu. This is where all integrations and connections are managed. Now scroll down and look for apps or connections. This section allows you to link external platforms like Discord. Click on it to continue. Next, click the Discord option and hit Connect. You'll be redirected to Discord, where you'll need to authorize the connection. Just log in if you're not already signed in. Once connected, select the Discord server you want to link with Patreon. Make sure you choose the correct server, especially if you manage multiple communities. Now assign roles to your Patreon tiers. For example, higher tiers can unlock private channels, while lower tiers get basic access. This is where you control what each supporter can see. Finally, click Confirm and let everything sync. It might take a few moments, so just wait a bit. After that, your Patreon supporters will automatically get their Discord roles, and that's it. You've successfully connected Discord with Patreon. Now your community can be managed automatically without extra work. Pretty simple, right? Hey everyone, welcome.